backyard garden has changed a lot, but here where we live, even in April, we're still getting the occasional frost and even snow. So right now, I'm only planting things that can handle and actually thrive in the cold, like thyme, garlic, which I planted last October, onions, carrots, snap peas, and spinach. Not everything has gone as planned. This is all that's left of my broccoli. I started it in my hydroponic garden, and I'll link that video below, and then I transplanted it out here. The deer came through, and apparently they love broccoli because they ate most of it. It's starting to recover, but I'm pretty sure they'll be back. My raspberry bushes are just starting to wake up. There is one thing though that has really surprised me. The herbs have been really fun to grow. I started them in my hydroponic garden, and then I transplanted them out here. I'll have to wait to transplant the rosemary and sage until after the threats of frost have passed, and I need to figure out the deer situation before I transplant the lettuce. But this right here is what surprised me. This small jar of thyme took a lot of time to make. See what I did there? But look at the difference. The store-bought is so much lighter, even dusty looking. This thyme is darker, richer, and smells so much stronger. I just cut the stems and I let them air dry in my pantry. It does take a lot more time, but I think it's worth it. Right now we just have these 5 raised beds. We've got a retaining wall going in soon, and after that's finished, we'll add 5 more raised beds. We just installed an in-ground trampoline for the grandkids, and we're actually going to use the boulders and the dirt from that to fill the new raised beds. Then we'll top each of them off with compost. Eventually, we're hoping to build a pergola-style fence to keep the deer out. At least that's our plan. Let me know what you're growing right now, and if you've noticed a drastic difference between store-bought and homegrown herbs. Thanks for stopping by.